My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music2Makeup. Ooh, I like that. So today's video is going to be an Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of February 2019. I think I got the month right this time. My Sephora Play unboxing, I legit thought it was my March box. So if you would like to see what I got for my February Allure beauty box, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I do have a giveaway going on right now, so if you are interested in entering that, you can check out my self-discovery video. So let us get into it. So this is what it came in, and this is definitely different than what I'm used to. I'm used to it being a little bit like smaller and a little bit thicker. And I open it, I was so confused. And this is what's inside. I'm like, where's the red box? I was expecting a red box, but there's no red box. I'm like, is this a free gift that I got? Like, what the hell is this? So I don't know if this is this has to be something new, but I don't know if it's like a one-time thing or maybe it's my new member gift. I'm not sure. If anyone has any idea, let me know down below. Alright, so here is what the pamphlet looks like for the month of February. So the first product is this Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. Wow, this is like a full-size mascara. Okay. Ultra black option from Wander Beauty, layers and layers without clumps and gives lashes lots of drama. Lift, check. Volume, definitely. Length, almost to my brow bone. The brush is the perfect size to really get to the roots of your lashes and coat every hair. It comes in a squeezable tube so you can get every last bit of product. It doesn't smudge or flake after a full workday and gym session. Alright, price is $26 and this is 0.35 ounces. The next product is this Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Mykonos. Price is $15. So it says burgundy, pinky champagne, and brown. Create a sheer wash of glittering color. Well, I don't want a sheer wash. I want... thrilled, but I will try them out. Moving right along. The next product is this Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. I really like the design. It's gold with like kind of this pattern. Ooh, what would I use this for? It says this soft, precise shading brush is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things, really. It makes any shadow look its most vibrant, so one colleague uses it with pastels and brights. It's also perfect for contouring. Use it to sweep brown shadow across your crease or over the outer third of your eye. But my favorite way to use it is for brushing my everyday taupe over my lids. Price is $4.99. Oh, that's not bad for a brush. I mean, I don't think I would use this. It's like kind of slanted, if you can see. I guess if you want like a sheer wash of color, you could use it to put on your lid color. Maybe I would use this for the crease, like something precise, or like the outer corner. That's probably what I would use it for. But I really like the design. It's really cool. Mamande Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. Ooh. An oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleaning that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. Oh my gosh, awesome. Is rose. Roses are widely used across the world as symbols of love, sympathy, or sorrow. It is not only commonly used for ornamental purpose, but also as a popular ingredient in skincare with good reasons. Extracts of this delicate flower may be used on all skin types, but are often included in products for dry, sensitive, and mature skin. And this is 0.84 ounces, and price is $21. And I just love everything rose. Like, my middle name is Rose, my grandmother's name is Rose. Like, I have a huge rose tattoo. I don't know if I ever should, I should do a tattoo video one day because I have 10 tattoos. Yeah, I like roses just a little bit. I'm really excited to try that because I love the Tatcha cleansing oil. Like, I just love cleansing oils and balms, so I'm really excited to try that. Alright, the next product is, it's this by the same brand, Mamonde Flower Lab Essence Mask. And the flower is pomegranate. Vitality mask that helps lively looking skin. So it says Mamonde's sheet mask come in 7 varieties. You'll get one in your box, and each is infused with nourishing botanical extracts and moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which are essential now that temps are dropping fast. The sheet mask itself is made from eucalyptus pulp, which adheres well to skin. The next product is the Brow Gal Instant Tinted Brow Gel. Wow, this is definitely full size, and price is $22. Let me see what it's in it says the Instant Brown Hair number 2. So it is a very like small precision, like very small brush. Let me Okay. Ooh, I love brow gels. I use them every single day, whether it's using that only, like if I'm running late for work and I don't have time to do like my full brow routine, I will just put this on, and it looks awesome. And then if I am doing like my full brow routine, I will use a brow gel as the last step, and it really just like elevates your brows like to on point level. Like, it just fills in like any extra areas that you may have missed with a pencil or pomade, and it just gives it a nice finish. Okay, so on the last page it has like 3 items, and I guess you get one of them. I got the Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick. Okay, this liquid lipstick by makeup artist Mally Ronkel is rich and creamy and glossy. It covers lips in luxe shiny color. It looks more like a highly pigmented gloss than a traditional liquid lipstick, which means you don't have to be as precise when you put it on. You'll get one of 5 shades in your box. Ooh, so the price is $21. This is full size, another full size product. And I got it in Nude Light. Oh, hell yeah, you knew what color I wanted. Okay, so it has like, it's not a doe foot, it's like a little brush. Let me swatch it. That's really pretty. Like, there's still something else in here. This must be my like gift for the first time you get an Allure beauty box. They send you a free gift. So it is this Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra, and it is in burnished bronze. Ooh, you know I love me a good eyeshadow stick. Oh, that's pretty too. It is. This is like a nice bronze color. Wow. So, holy. Alright. Maybe I'm not so mad at you anymore. I got, how many full-size products did I get? 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to count a sheet mask as a full-size product because it's a sheet mask. But plus, like, an eyeshadow thing, a cleansing oil, a brush. Damn. I missed the Allure Beauty box. And I was so mad because I wanted the Nikki's Tutorials box so bad. And that was one of the months I ordered, and then I never got it. So, their customer service sucks, but their boxes are bomb. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you got one of the other options, also let me know what you got down below. Alright guys, well, I will see you in my next video. Bye.